Don't get in there. First time I've ever seen that. Don't seem like it's like shooting real high. I like these little columns. A little glass turtle. Turned out to be a pretty day anyway. We won't see a dolphin today because I got the camera. Any other time, look closer one. We're trying to capture a crocodile and looking for it, so this may be a long... Oh, I think it might be right up here. I see some ripples in the water. I'm gonna take a chance that it's up here. See it right there?
Yeah,
that is where it's at.
That's gotta be it. Oh.
But I don't know where to...
on that boat.
Yeah. I guarantee it's it right there.
Gosh.
Might not get it on film again. One thing, I don't know where to point the camera.
We saw it.
Yeah.
That counts.
Yeah. Well, probably not gonna get to see it, folks, but we did get to see a crocodile. Kind of, sort of, like the top of it. I'm gonna hope it surfaces. I know it's right in that area right there.
I feel like I can see it.
Well, that's it, swimming right there. It's
yeah, just barely touching. There it is.
I didn't see it.
That was just his nostril. I literally could see just the tip of his nose. He's getting ready to cut in front of the boat. Left.
Yeah. Yep.
You better not cry, you better not pout, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. You better watch out, you better not cry, you better not pout, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming, I'm in the big fat man with the long white beard.
Hey, it's another day here. I'm just sitting here in the camper in our little boondocking spot, watching some YouTube. Yeah, the light's shining. Kind of looks weird, don't it? Anyway, but yeah, I'm just watching a little Adventure Van Man, a little bit of Brian on the phone. Enjoying our little boondocking spot. She's gone, run a few errands and do some things she wanted to do. I'm just hanging out, kind of just, I don't know, one of them days I just don't really feel like doing nothing. Oh, that's a lot of days really with me. but yeah, I just want to show you this cool boondocking spot we got. My famous window I always put y'all out. You'll notice we're at a truck stop. See the trucks? I know it ain't real good, those screen window. But on the other side, let me get this door open and I'll show you. There's a little map. Look at this great view we got. Got a palm tree right here by us. Big lake. Haven't seen no gators, nothing yet. Woods all around us. Yeah, this is pretty nice. I like it. I think I've showed y'all this map. If not, I'm gonna show you again. Yeah, I remember now. I know I have. But we picked this up at I think it was a truck stop or gas station. I don't remember exactly, but I think we gave like 99 cents for it or something like that. I'll have to ask her, but I believe that's what it was, 99 cents. And it's just your basic little state map, but instead of paying $20, $30 for one of them you see everybody gets, little sticker map or, you know, whatever, we just got this and we're like taking a black marker and just marking off whatever we're doing. You know, what states we're going through. And we're actually just doing like what part of the state we went through. If you see there, we didn't color in the whole state, just what sections we went through. And as we go back, we're going to try to, you know, hit these corners and we can fill them all in. But anyhow, that was a side note. But that's what I'm doing right now, just hanging out. I ate me a little bit of food for breakfast. Wow, this light just looks so weird in here. I'm kind of, I don't know. I promise my eyes aren't black. I don't know why they're looking like that. But anyhow, that's what we're doing, or that's what I'm doing. She's I went to do a few things she wanted to do, you know, run errands or whatever. I'm just hanging out here chilling, so I'm gonna pause this right now. I know we're started our job, so like I said, it's gonna be videos are gonna be a little slow. For one, we're not doing nothing, just kind of hanging out in one spot, and you know, I don't like to keep showing the same thing over and over. It gets boring. It gets boring for me. So yeah, so yeah, the video is gonna be kind of slow. That's about it. I just want to. This is like the first half you've seen is one day, and this is another day. Suppose tomorrow or a day or two later, I'll probably add a little bit more. You know, I'm gonna try not to bore you with the same old stuff every day. But anyway, I'm gonna sit here and enjoy our great view. Maybe see a gator one day. I don't know. They say they're here. I believe them. I'm not gonna go down there and look for them. I'm gonna take the word for it. But yeah, I'm gonna pause this, and maybe tomorrow if something happens, we'll bring you back. Check out that boat. It's got a snowboard on it. Let's see if we can get the old billboard on the boat. Freedom Boat Club. Now, why would you want to sail around and make a billboard on your boat? Hey, is that a... No, I thought that was a tranny boat. It's not though. This is...
So this is Hale Groves. This is the company we worked for. It's a fruit box bag creation. I don't know. They do holiday gift baskets. This is not an actual grove. They don't grow the fruit, but they buy from local vineyards, I think, and then package it. It was about a 3-week job that we did. There's a lot of, we could say a lot of things to describe this place. It was not for us.
It was a great experience.
It was a good experience.
In certain ways.
In certain ways. Yeah. It's just interesting. It's interesting to be behind the scenes of a company that's producing over 2.5 million, I think, gift baskets for the holidays. It's fast-paced. For the most part, there's plenty to do.
I don't feel it's for me. I don't
think I will be trying to come back here.
Yeah, it's
But
not something.
I'm glad I did it and got the experience.
Yeah,
It's something I can say I did. I learned the process behind it, like you said.
Yeah.
But I don't feel like the job's for me though.
Nope. I think the area is beautiful, but I don't see us coming back to this job.
Yep.
We had a great relationship with a place to stay, so we kind of secured a campground if we want to come back again. But we might check out some other companies if we do.
Welcome to the fort. So we have left the city of Vero. Wow, I got we both not fitting in there. Whoa. Anyway, where's we at? Vero Beach.
We were in Vero Beach. That's where we spent the last several weeks working.
He's left, and we're
gone.
Where are we headed? I don't know. We can't say we're headed.
Yeah, we don't know exactly where, but we may or may not be going out west.
Yeah, to the desert.
To the desert.
Maybe to a quote-unquote gathering.
Gathering.
But right now we're at, what is this? City of Bartow? Is that how you say it?
Yeah, we're still in Florida.
This writing is so hard to see. Yes. Okay, but anyway, you can tell them what was done.
Yep. We're in Bartow, Florida. Just making our way away from Vero. It's a beautiful area. Vero Beach in Florida was really nice. So if any RVers are going through Florida, it was very RV friendly.
Oh, yeah, I forgot about that. I like these trees. I just now noticed them. But yes, it was very RV friendly. We had no trouble.
No trouble at all.
No trouble.
Yep.
Stayed at I won't say where, but we stayed at a gas station that the manager was very friendly. Gave us permission to stay there as long as we needed.
Yep.
I'm not gonna say where, because I don't want to be abused.
Yeah.
But just check around some local gas stations.
The Vero Beach area altogether, if you're small enough, you can actually park on the beach.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
We saw many RVs, like the truck campers and the smaller rigs were parked literally on beach parking lots, right, 50 feet, 100 feet from the ocean.
But it's, compared to other towns, it's very friendly.
It was very RV friendly. So if you're coming through Florida on the East Coast, Vero Beach is it was a good area. It's a really RV friendly place.
Had no trouble.
Yeah.
So our plans are.
The plans now, we get out. We're
heading all the way across the map to the desert.
Yeah.
Maybe to a quote-unquote gathering, maybe.
Yeah, maybe.
Don't know yet.
We're excited to be on the road, though.
Anyway, we're gonna end this video right here. Say hello to all my friends, family, my Aunt Kay.
Hey, Mom.
Yeah, your mom.
Hey, family.
We're doing okay. Got plenty of food to eat. Staying dry, having fun, getting along, sort of, kind of.
Mostly.
Yeah. So until next time, we'll see you. Bye. Oh yeah, don't forget. God bless.